So the next phase of this CNC refurb is going to be to deal with both the spindle as well as the Z axis. So it took a fair bit to get the headstock off for this part of the CNC, which is pretty obvious, you know, it's on there pretty tight. But then I also wanted to have a quick look inside of the spindle motor, both for curiosity's sake and also just to make sure that, you know, it was in relatively good working order. So had a quick look inside, all looked pretty normal to me. Next part was to move on to the actual headstock and deal with the spindle bearings. Now, it was damn near impossible to get them out, so I actually ended up passing it over to a mate who has a hydraulic press who got everything out for me. So this is the Z-axis setup. Unlike the X and Y axis, I've decided I'm going to leave this as is, so rather than pulling it all apart and trying to find new components, it's pretty much good to go, just needs some more grease. Now let's get rid of these wires. So the back of this is good to go, basically just needs a quick wipe down. Now in order to get the grey catch-all tray off, I have to take out this plumbing arrangement, and believe it or not, I didn't have a spanner big enough. So, a stick of wood and a cutout, and that's pretty much all you need really. And finally, on the underside of this tray there are actually some feet that are pretty pathetic, but you know, they have to be taken off all the same. So just have to pivot this thing backwards, wait for the thump, and then take off those feet, and then we should be good to start cleaning that thing. Unfortunately, I don't have any footage of the cleaning process, so you'll just have to trust me when I say it was very satisfying to spray this all down, wipe it, and see all the grime just migrate away. I've put on this new trim so it's nice and fresh and keeps those edges clean, and now I can just start to reassemble.